All right, so here we are. Got the rocker arms, push rods back on. Heads are torqued down. Got the valve covers back on. Basically assembled the top end. So now all I gotta do is plug this hole for one of the sensor feeds. I think this is for oil temp. And then I gotta put my oil pressure sensor back on. And then I'll get the motor up on a stand and flip it over, and we'll do the assembly of the bottom end with the oil pump pickup tube. I'm gonna pick up. When I get the oil pan, I'm gonna clean it up pretty good because it's pretty dingy, but might throw it in the blaster and then just get a good clean on it and get it back up on the motor. I gotta install the rear main seal, make sure all that's situated, but we did go with ARP head studs. Everything else has ARP bolts. The mains, the side caps. This thing should be built up pretty good. It should be able to handle 15 wheel horsepower, which I probably will never get to that point, which is fine because it's just a little street car. But anyway, so yeah, we're getting this thing together. Once I get all the bottom end stuff back together with the oil pan and the sump, I can put on the timing cover, get the oil pan torqued down, get the alternator back on, and then what I'll do is install the harness. That way it makes it a little easier to install in the car. I found that on these, when you're doing the engines, pulling them out with the engine harness is a lot easier, because then you can pull the harness off outside of the car, because all you got to do is when it's in the car, there's a power wire in the front that you pull off of the PDC. You disconnect the transmission connector at the 8-speed, and then everything else pretty much kind of comes with it. So it just makes it a little easier. I found out after all these years of doing it, I'm finally doing it that way. But anyway, got another car in the shop right now that we're putting back together. This is just a forged 6.4 that had a Whipple on it. The customer didn't quite take the best care of the engine, so that's why it had to be redone. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get this going. This is a core that's going back to Demon Performance, and then these two are some Demon Performance short blocks that are going into a couple of builds that we have here. So once I finish this white car up, I'll get ready to start our next big build, which is, I believe, going to be a Durango SRT. It's currently Pro Charge, but we're doing a 426 from Demon Performance. Full fuel system, return system for the fuel, which is nice, because on the Durangos, SRTs, non-track hot cars, you have to pretty much do a full return system for the fueling. So should be pretty awesome. Can't wait to get that thing going. Got a couple other Jeeps here that we're going to be doing just some motors in, but should go pretty smooth. So keep an eye out. Hopefully soon I'll be having a first start video, or something to that nature, where the car's ready to at least fire up and move on its own again. And then I'll get back to kind of working on the interior, the door panels and things like that, because I haven't got that far yet. I was kind of in the middle of that conversion when I decided I'm going to pull the motor out and do what I did with it. So anyway, just keep on watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell everybody about my build. I would really appreciate it. I've been doing this a really long time with Dodge. I've been a technician for 17 plus years. And yeah, I'd love the support, and I'll definitely shout people out as well, who's been there and who's helped me, and I've been there for, I'm all about helping. So I just want to treat people with respect and make sure everyone that I encounter is taken care of whenever they need my help. So please feel free on any of my videos to ask questions and get that rapport with me, because I do like helping people. So anyway, hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.